Meaning of heatedly.
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 Heatedly. Heatedly means doing something with intense passion, emotion, or enthusiasm. It could refer to a situation where people engage in a spirited or heated debate, argument, or discussion. When people interact with one another heatedly, they tend to be emotionally charged and may not easily relent in their positions or opinions. This kind of interaction can result in a number of outcomes, including reaching a mutually agreeable conclusion, escalating the intensity of the argument, or leading to an impasse where no resolution is found. Overall, interactions that are heated tend to be passionate and highly charged.